Okay, now that we're in SAM, we're going to go ahead and navigate on the left-hand side to the contacts section. Once we're in the contacts section, there's a couple of different things that we can do. Very first, on the top right-hand side, there's a new contact button. Now, if we click that, we're able to add a one-off contact, and we can fill out as much information as we have. Now, oftentimes in my business, what this is from is when I have just a single contact comes in, someone reaches out to me, and I need to add their information into the system. This is the easiest way oftentimes to do this. Now, lots of different information here from the contact side, the contact information, and truthfully, just fill out as much as you can, kind of explore the different areas that you can add information. One of the things that I do want to take a personal note at is this contact preference. We're going to be diving into this a little bit later, but I am a millennial and I do not like phone calls. So my contact preference is not going to be phone. It's probably going to be email or SMS. So those are really fun things. You can select the native language that they prefer, and we'll show you a little bit later how Sam can actually translate things. So perhaps you write in English, but someone prefers Spanish. It can be translated into that. And we'll be diving into the different sections from tags, important dates, personal details, priorities, notes, and all of those different things in other videos. So you can go ahead and save that for now, but fill out as much information as you can in the contact section. So now that we have our contact, we can go ahead and hit the back. Sam's going to automatically save it.